Welcome back to Success with Steven. My name is Steven Smith. On this channel, we talk about everything financial literacy. And today we're going to do a quick video on the 9 credit cards that guarantee your starting limit before you apply in 2024. So I recently did a video where I talked about some credit cards that you can get with a soft pull. That way you can actually see if you are approved before you decided to take those cards. I wanted to make another video where I actually talked about cards that guarantee the limit before you are actually approved. Some of these do have, I guess for all of them, they would all have soft inquiries. Not all of the ones on the previous list actually showed you your limit. So we're going to jump right into the video. I'm going to talk to you exactly about which cards, what bureaus that they pull from, and then I'll give you a little bit of details, not so much details on the cards per se, but just so that you're aware that these cards, you can actually see your limit before you decide to complete that application and get that card. The first credit card on our list is going to be the Advantage Master Credit Card and also the Cashback Mastercard with Dover Federal Credit Union. So for this particular credit union, you can actually get some of the lower interest rates that we've seen before: 11.74% APR, 15.99 APR. And if you go to the apply for today, it actually will show you that completing this form below will not affect your credit score, and you can pre-qualify in as fast as 2 minutes. When you pre-qualify, they will show you exactly what your starting credit limit will be. Now, there's a few different ways that you can become a member of this credit union. I think the simplest way, and this is straight from the website, if you join Friends of Bombay Hooks, then you can become a member of Dover Federal Credit Union, and it only costs $15, I believe, in order to join Friends of Bombay Hooks. So if you wanted to become a member, and after you check it to see if you're pre-qualified, I think this is the easiest way to do so. And then for this particular credit union, they will pull from Experian. Next card that we're going to be looking at is with Patelco Credit Union. They have the Pure Master credit card, the Points Rewards World credit card. And for both of these, you can get pre-qualified. They will show you your credit limit before you qualify. They also have some cards for students. I'm not going to be talking about the secured card option for today, but this is definitely one that you'll want to check out. And then I'll show you exactly what it takes to become a member with this credit union as well. And this is straight from the Patelco website, but it says, can I become a Patelco member? And then we're proud to offer memberships to so many people. And this is the diverse membership base. And it shows you, do you live, work, attend, or worship in the following areas? Have a family member, roommate who are Patelco members, or work for Patelco sponsored companies? If so, then you can join directly through our website. Otherwise, you can still become a member by first joining the Financial Fitness Association. So that's another quick way. If you become a member of FFA and you can go here to their website, then you can become a member of Patelco. I would first see if you can get pre-qualified. I'm not sure if you have to do one or the other first, but if you can be pre-qualified and see your starting limit before becoming a member, I would do that first. And then I would go ahead and join the Financial Fitness Association. That way you can become a member of this credit union. All right. And before we actually look at this next card, I did want to mention that Patelco does pull from Experian, if I didn't mention which credit bureau that it pulls from. Okay. Now, the one that we're looking at now is going to be KrowdFit. So with KrowdFit, this is going to be a card that really benefits you for exercising. So it doesn't impact you. As you can see here, you can qualify with no impact to your credit score. It does also show you your limit before you are approved. And then for this particular one, it does also pull from Experian as well. And then I'll give you a couple of good, I guess, points about this card, because depending on what you're doing, you may or may not maybe find use in it. I believe it used to be the Deserve card. but then they changed it to KrowdFit. And on the website, it used to give more details, but I was able to find some of that here. So if you're looking for a card that rewards you for staying active, then KrowdFit Wellness Rewards Mastercard is an excellent option. This card offers 4% cash back on qualifying health, medical, wellness, and lifestyle partner purchases, 2% back on qualifying groceries, and then 1% back on everything. And then the KrowdFit app allows you to use their workouts and earn financial rewards. You also get a free 12-month premium membership to either the MyFitnessPal app or the Calm app. I know that for me, I definitely use the MyFitnessPal app, so I do enjoy that. And this card has no annual fee, so you definitely may want to look into that. And if you are into exercise, wellness, you spend a lot of purchases on medical and health, lifestyle things like that, this may actually be a good option for you. But again, take a look at that credit limit, see what you qualify for before accepting that, and see if it makes sense for you. The next card on our list is going to be from NASA Federal Credit Union. You can earn rewards with this card, $1 to $1 reward. So you earn 1 point for every dollar that you spend. No annual fees, no transaction fees. Very low interest rates on this card, as low as 14.65%, and can go lower to 9.99%. Excuse me. That is amazing. And then, of course, that peace of mind protection that you'll see on most cards against fraud, extended warranties. You can check your rate with no impact to your credit score with this one as well. You also are able to see your credit limit before you actually take the approval for this one. And then when we're looking at this card, anyone can join. You can become a member just by going to the website and signing up. They give you a NASA association and it's complimentary. And when you have that association, then you're able to become a member. This one also does pull from Experian as well. And then, as mentioned in a few prior videos, this is the Marcus by Goldman Sachs. The only U.S. co-branded card that offers you unlimited 4x points on all purchases with no annual fees. You can earn points, but they usually they will go towards GM rewards. So whether or not that may or may not benefit you, but with this one, you also get 0% APR for the first 9 months for the personal one. Business one is 12. And then they have an APR of 20.24% to 29.99% variable. No annual fee. This card will show you your limit before you are approved, and getting pre-qualified does not impact your credit score, of course. With this one, they pull from TransUnion. I would double check too. Equifax is on the business side. TransUnion should be on the personal side. Sometimes the credit pulls are regional, so please do your due diligence. Make sure that it does. You can go to the credit boards and look at some information in your area to see which bureau that it pulled from. But from what I was able to gather on the personal side, it should be pulling from TransUnion. And this is another one that I actually talked about and I did get pre-approved for, the AMC Entertainment Visa card. I did not take the pre-approval on this card, but if you were interested in going to the movies, it is a Visa card. I know it doesn't show it here, but this is an actual Visa. And you're able to get $1 or per dollar spent at AMC theaters. You can get points and rewards. So if that was something that you're interested in, then you can do it. It pulls from Experian, but again, you see your limit. And for this one, if you have a low credit score towards like the 600 range, you can still get approved for this card. So if you were looking for an entry card with scalability, then this may be, like a little secret card that no one may have mentioned that you can definitely check out. Next one on our list will be the Apple Card. Really don't have to go into too much detail about this one. I have an entire video dedicated to just this card. If you were to get this card, it can pull from TransUnion. It can also pull from Equifax. You can apply right from your Apple device, and you do get up to 3% daily cash back depending on where you're spending the card. There are particular merchants that you would have to spend it with, but for the most part, Very, very great card. From the feedback that I've seen, everyone likes this card. I also got pre-qualified for this one as well, and no impact to my credit score. Still haven't taken it yet because I felt like the limit was low, and I think that I'm going to raise the limits on a few other personal cards, maybe double back and come back to this later in maybe the next 2 or 3 months. I have seen starting limits for this card sometimes being towards that $2,000 to $4,000 range, and it seems to get increased fairly quickly. So if you're looking for something where you can start it and it does seem to be friendly with lower credit scores, definitely something that I would check out. Next one on our list is going to be the Sam's Club Plus member card. This one does pull from TransUnion. It does show you your limit before you are approved. You can get pre-qualified online at Sam's Club. You do need to be a member in order to get pre-approved for this card. And if you want the 2% plus 3%, you do need to have the Sam's Club Plus membership, which when you sign up, you'll actually see that you can get 5% back on gas, 3% back on dining, 1% back on all other purchases, as well as many other benefits. But yeah, it's pretty straightforward. You can go right on there, see if you qualify. They'll let you know your limit, and then you can decide whether or not you want to get this card. This is one that I actually do enjoy this card very much, and it does definitely live up to the hype. Backed by Synchrony Bank, so if you're familiar with them, you kind of know it's sometimes kind of iffy with them in limits, but it does seem to scale up fairly quickly as far as how it can go from a very low limit to very high within a few short months. So if you're interested, definitely check that one out. Last credit card on our list is going to be with Truist Bank. With Truist Bank, they have a lot of credit card options that you can choose from here. I was a Truist client for a little while. Only bad part about this one is that it is a regional bank, so you cannot get it if you do not live in certain areas. When I found that out, I did close the account with them because I don't live in that area. But if you so happen to do, I would definitely do it. You can apply for this card. They will show you your starting limit. A lot of their cards have cash back, great 0% APR offers. I would have loved to get this card. They usually pull from Equifax. Again, you can double check that and make sure. But this is the last card on our list. So again, fairly quick video. Just wanted to make sure that I was able to do this as well as the pre-approval video. Maybe I'll combine these or I'll leave them separate so they'll be fairly short, but definitely check out a lot of these options because again, it doesn't hurt for you to check out and you can see your starting limit before you even do it. So greatly appreciate you watching this video and you guys have a great day.